Good day everyone, I am Arnold Richfield Kimbalasab, 16 years old and 11 student. Today I want to talk about the importance of communication, how we the youth can use it in the right way. Communication is how we share our thoughts, express our feelings and connect with other people. Without good communication, there would be confusion and misunderstanding. But with it, there can be peace, friendship, and unity. Sadly, some people use communication in the wrong way. They use words to insult, to gossip, or to hurt others. They become breakers of communication. Breakers destroy trust and relationships. We see this often today in arguments, in bullying, and even in negative comments on social media. Instead of solving problems, bad communication only creates more conflict. But we, the youth, can choose differently. We can be makers of communication. A maker uses words to build others up, not to tear them down. A maker speaks with kindness, honesty, and respect. A maker listens carefully and tries to understand others, even if they have different opinions. Makers bring people closer, while breakers push people apart. Being a maker does not always require big actions. Small acts can already make a big difference. Saying thank you, apologizing when we are wrong, greeting someone with respect, and sending encouraging words online, these are all examples of being a maker. Our words may be simple, but they can bring joy and hope to others. As the young generation, we also live in a time where social media plays a big role. What people share or comment online shows the kind of person we are. That is why we must be careful. Let us use social media to spread positivity and truth, not lies or hate. By doing this, we can inspire other people to communicate in a better way. Every word we say has power. It can either heal or hurt, unite or divide. If we choose to be makers, we can build stronger friendships, healthier communities, healthier communities, and more peaceful world. But if we choose to be breakers, we only add to the problems of society. So I encourage all of us, especially the youth, to use communication wisely. Let us speak with kindness, listen with respect, and spread positivity in our homes, schools, and online. Let us be makers, not breakers of communication, because our words can shape the future. Thank you.